Well folks, Mike here from Walk to the Group, or Mike and Amy. Hello Catherine. Yeah, say hello again.
Hi.
Bloody cold. So, we're at the beach. No hiking this week. Managed to roll my ankle last week, so been taking it easy.
Credit to me for that one.
Yeah, credit to Amy for that. And Catherine's got the cold, so she's at home in bed, feeling a bit sick and sorry for herself. So yeah, so taking a walk in the water. Show you that, where we are.
Okay, works.
Very cold. The reason being is I remember when I was a kid and used to do horse riding. If you had a horse that was lame or had a sprain, take him down the beach and let him run or walk in the water. Good for their recovery. So with that in mind, thought come down today with Amy, take a walk in the water, hopefully help get my ankle healthier, fitter, so we can get out walking again in the next couple of weeks. Folks, it's a bit windy, probably not hear much of what I'm saying. Looks like there's been filming going on in the background here. I'm not sure what for, whether it's Game of Thrones type thing or something. There is definitely filming. Amy is currently out in the water just over my shoulder somewhere. Ah, there she is. splashing around like an absolute mermaid. Bit of drone footage down White Park. White Rocks even, not White Park Bay. I'm not sure if you can see Castle over my shoulder.